Welcome to the My Time community, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. I'm Anthony, My Time, and I want you to consider something. What if Donald Trump ran a YouTube channel? Yeah, he's a president now, but I just want you to consider this. What if Donald Trump ran a YouTube channel? What would it be about? What would the strategy be? Would he just talk about politics? Would he talk about life? Would he talk about becoming a billionaire in 2 days? What would he talk about? That's what I want to talk about today. What if Donald Trump ran a YouTube channel? And how can it benefit you if you understand the strategies he's using to become the person he is now if he was to do it through YouTube? Let's get into it. Listen. Point blank, I don't care what you think about the politics. I don't care what you think about his lifestyle. I don't care what you think about him as a person. Let's talk about how he runs his business. Marketing. You might say, well, what does that got to do with YouTube? Has everything to do with YouTube. Everything that he's done it through marketing. His TV shows. All his businesses, all the things he's done. He went bankrupt 7 times, yeah, but he has accomplished a lot of things. What have you accomplished on YouTube? What have you accomplished? And if you're starting a YouTube channel and you're trying to grow your channel, you put 4 videos out, you put 3 videos out, nobody's following you, all you got to do is type the name Trump in the search engine. Before you get to the U-T-R-U, all these videos will pop up talking about him, saying these things. He don't even have to be in the video, but the things that he said, the things that he talked about, the things that he said he's going to do, it's in the marketing. What are you doing to grow your channel through marketing? We're just having a conversation. I'm not going to tell you 1, 2, 3. No, we're having a conversation. And you can pick up on certain things that I'm talking about. Marketing. You need to have a marketing plan. What was Trump's marketing plan? Make America great again. Yes. Great marketing. Oh, he said it every time he gets in front of the camera, every time he goes in a podcast, every time he starts talking. He said, make America great again. I would do this. I would do that. Marketing. That's what he's done. What if Donald Trump ran a YouTube channel? Every time he get in front of the video camera, he would market the message. Hi, I'm My Time, Anthony, and welcome to my channel, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. That's my marketing strategy. What's the marketing? What's the message? We're going to help you grow your channel as you grow your life. I'm just having a conversation with you. I want you to expand your mind, your mindset. What type of marketing you doing while you growing your channel? Are you just coming on the YouTube channel saying, hello, how you doing? Let's talk about the birds and the bees and the trees and all this other stuff. Are you marketing a message that people want to hear? The message matters. Hashtag message matters. Type in the comment section. Your message matters. But marketing matters more than the message. Yeah, I said it. It matters more than the message. Because you got to have a great message, but you don't know how to market it, nobody's going to hear it. You got great messaging. I don't know who I'm talking to, but you got great messaging. But if you can't get it out there, nobody will know that you're on YouTube. There's millions of people on YouTube that nobody never seen before. There's millions of people on YouTube that people never heard before. There's millions of people on YouTube that has given up because people don't know who they are. And the reason they don't know who they are, one of the reasons is their marketing. Strategies. That's why they're giving up. They don't have a strategy in marketing. You might not have a strategy in marketing. I don't got no views. Nobody watching my channel. 5 people watching my channel, and one of them is my dog, and he's supposed to be my best friend, but he unsubscribed to me because he said I'm not being authentic. Is that really what's happening? Or is it because you're not marketing your message? We just having a conversation here. Let me take my glass off. We just having a conversation here. Because if Donald Trump owned a YouTube channel, what would he do? I already told you. His messaging and his marketing will be top notch. Can you say the same thing about yourself? Is your messaging top notch? Is your marketing top notch? I don't know. Put it in the comment section, because we just having a conversation. Yeah. I'm Anthony. I'm your friend. We having a conversation here. Nobody else is here. Nobody else is going to listen. Nobody else is listening to our conversation. So let's just have a conversation. Is your marketing to a place that you say, I'm proud, I'm marketing my message, I'm helping people who don't know how to bake a cake. I'm helping people who are less fortunate, so I'm motivating them. That's number 3. Motivating through your marketing the message. I'm saying it again. You're motivating those people through the marketing of that message. So are you doing that? If you're not doing that, could it be? Could it be that's why you're not growing? Your channel's not growing? The people you're seeing growing that channel that you're following. And you follow them because they market their message so well, they're motivating you because you signed up or subscribed to their channel. This is not sub for sub. I'm talking about the channel that you subscribe to because they motivated you to do something, to believe something. If that's you, type in the comment section, hashtag, I'm motivated. If that's you, instead of being a consumer, I want you to be a content creator. Stop consuming and start creating, because you got a blueprint right now. I told you it's a conversation, but I gave you a blueprint on how to grow your channel, because if Donald Trump had a YouTube channel, that's how he would grow his channel. He started with a message, his messaging, make America great again. Then he marketed that message. Every time he goes somewhere, he say the same thing, make America great again. And he motivated those people who heard that message and say, I'm going to do this and you're going to benefit from it. I'm going to do that and you're going to benefit from it. So here's the steps for you to do. Take your message. My message is I help people over 40 create a life worth living instead of living a life of survival by creating digital products by or from their digital assets. That's my messaging. And I market it on YouTube. I market it by telling you that's what I do. I market it by motivating you. I market it by inspiring you to be more, to do more, to have more. That's what I do. So you see all 3 of those steps in there? Motivating, marketing, and messaging. You have to do the same thing. Take your message, market that message here on YouTube, and motivate through that marketing, that message. Those are 3 steps. Those are the 3 steps. It's simple. But it's so simple you believe it's hard. It's not hard, but it's worth it. Because my name is Anthony, My Time. Because in My Time community, we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And I want you to grow your life while you grow your channel. Because what does it profit a man to grow his YouTube channel and lose his soul? That's what I want you to do. Leave in the comment section who you are. If you're a newbie, if you've been here for a while, or if you got more subscribers than me, let me know who you are and where you at on this process. Because this is my life, this is my experience, this is my time. Because in My Time community, we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. Until next video, God bless.